we always try to look at is price versus cost. In our long-term cost, not just the price of the bid, but the cost of the overall performance of the product and what we would have to do long-term, that overall cost was lower than anyone else, I think, by a significant margin. My name is Greg Mole. I'm Vice President for Sunbelt Holdings, and I run our Tucson division. So we partnered with owners. The community is called Star Valley, a long-standing master plan community in Tucson. And originally, the community was built with some amenities that included multiple asphalt paths that, wound around throughout the community. It had not been maintained, I don't think, at all since it was installed. So we wanted to go get that back up to snuff so that the residents could utilize it. So we contacted a couple different vendors. We had various different options out there, and it was really a cost-benefit analysis as we went through to try to figure out what we were going to do. The HA5 product is what we put down there. It's been spectacular. The residents are thrilled. The appearance of it is great. I mean, it looks like better than new, and again, it just seemed like this stood out as the definite best way to go. And again, our approach may be different than other people. If you want just a quick hit, a flip kind of a thing, I don't think HA5 is probably your deal. But if you're in it for the long haul on something where you want it to last and you want to be overall, lower cost of ownership in the long term, I think this is, and that's how we look at it. That's how we do business. So that's what we were after. No, we love the product. We love the service. So like I said, we'll do it again.